Alright guys, I don't have much battery on the GoPro, so we're gonna roll till it quits. We're on the 83 Shadow 750, and so far I'm about 10 minutes away from home, and the front brake is not locked up on me yet. So let's go a little further and hope for the best. She idles a little low when you rev her, so I don't think it's a problem. It's not shutting off. It might not be, it's not completely warmed up yet. It's about time to see if this thing has any dead spots. If our brake situation's warmed up, worked out, then we can actually ride her. Now we are going to go close to home because I'm still not sure if she's willing to behave completely. Well, I figured let's do a rev in the tunnel just for fun. Neutral rev. Anticlimactic, I know, but it's always fun. I got my gloves. I know I preach to you guys all the time about wearing your gear. Today I have gloves and my armored Joe Rocket jacket and shorts. I didn't know I was gonna ride, so I had shorts on, which is not great for a V-twin V-twin Shadow. But luckily the pipes on this thing don't go right past your legs, so it's not a big deal. Hey, get back in place there. She sounds good, has a little bit of pop on D-pop. Hey, was that my brake? I haven't heard that sound yet. I have to tighten this mirror up. Alright, well, it doesn't really seem like I'm getting slowed down by sticky. That is my rear brake, isn't it? Jeez. Might have to take the rear brake off and work on that because it's making a weird sound. I don't know, guys, how far should we go? I'm fogging up my own helmet. I thought I had smoke coming out, but I'm not. She's doing good. Gotta remember, stay there. Gotta remember that this is only a Shadow 750. It's not one of the big heavy duty muscle bikes. She wants to sound like one, and she sounds pretty freaking good. know, maybe my rear brake is dragging too. I don't know. Front brakes seem to be behaving. I don't know if I trust her to go much further than this. The rear brake's not making that much noise. It's not doing it now. Mirror! Stay there. I did bring my tools just in case I need to pull off a caliper. So I guess I could fix a mirror, but just stay where I put you. Just until we get home. Then I can make you better. What are we in? 5th? Yep, there's 6th. Overdrive light is on. See that? And we're cruising along. Remember much about the 700 Shadow at this point. This is very similar to 750, 83, but the lack of power is probably just me thinking she should be a bigger bike, since that's what I've been riding and that's what I'm used to. Seems to be behaving. We're not stopping any slower than I would think we should. Yeah, that's the rear brake squeaking. Rear brakes squeak a little. Haven't had the rear wheel off, so I haven't looked at that. And I haven't had the carburetors out of this thing, so there's a good chance this is a jetted bike, bigger jets, because I should have went the other way. We'll turn around up here. There's no dead spot, so I think with the open pipes, I think we might actually be jetted, because you would think there'd be a dead spot in the power range. Because I really don't think this guy has any special air filter. I don't remember if I ever checked that. I don't know. Can't remember if I looked at the air filter. Hopefully I did, because that would make a difference. On this little test ride, seems like we have another solid runner. She sounds good. Seems to be stopping the way she's supposed to, when she's supposed to. 3, Honda Shadow, VF750C, shaft drive. I don't know anything else. Standard cruiser bars. They're relatively comfortable. And she really does seem to be doing everything correctly. So let's get her home before she makes a fool of me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Get out, enjoy the ride, and catch you later.